Okay, so the next one is a banded clam. Grab yourselves a band, resistance band, something you can use for your glutes. Step into it, pull it over. Now, honestly, there's a couple of different types you can get. You've got fabric ones, you've got some like elastic ones. I'll be honest, the fabric ones run a little bit better when you're wearing leggings and stuff. So, not that I wear leggings, but you get my point. So bring yourself down. I want them over your knees. This way here. So similar to the last video we did of just a standing, like it's just a standard clam. So I'm gonna go into here, pretend you're in your beach pose. Have one leg here, I want one leg up. Essentially, it's this. I'm coming in and working against. This is my banded clam. One of the roles of your glutes is abduction, ABD, on the outside. So right now, I'm not doing a lot. It's not very heavy, it's just almost the resistance of the band. This is hard. So this glute activation is gonna turn them on and it's gonna help you out before you start your big compound lifts, like your squats, your deadlifts, things like that. All right, have a go.